The air hangs heavy with anticipation, a palpable sense of excitement that only a Disney reopening can conjure. The scent of damp earth and salty air gently guides us back to Adventureland, a realm of exotic wonders and swashbuckling tales. The familiar sights and sounds beckon, promising a journey into the heart of pirate lore. Today marks a special occasion, as Disneyland Paris proudly welcomes back the legendary Pirates of the Caribbean ride. A beloved classic, ready to set sail once more. After a meticulous refurbishment, a labor of love undertaken by dedicated Imagineers and craftsmen, every detail has been carefully considered and refined. The attraction's doors swing open, revealing a world of adventure that has been painstakingly brought back to its former glory. The gates creak, inviting guests into a realm where pirates rule and fortunes are plundered. This grand reopening is set to reignite the magic for fans old and new, offering a chance to experience the thrill of the high seas and the allure of pirate life. Families gather, their faces alight with anticipation, ready to embark on an unforgettable voyage. The iconic shanty, "Yo ho, yo ho, a pirate's life for me," rings out from hidden speakers, its familiar melody instantly transporting guests to a world of buccaneers and buried treasure. The music is infectious, inviting guests to relive cherished memories and create new ones with their loved ones. Laughter and excited chatter fill the air as families eagerly approach the boarding area. The anticipation isn't for a reinvented experience, but for a classic restored to brilliance, a testament to the enduring power of storytelling and the magic of Disney. Familiar scenes now more vivid and immersive thanks to state-of-the-art enhancements and meticulous attention to detail. The animatronics move with lifelike precision and the lighting casts an enchanting glow on every scene. Guests queue with excitement, their anticipation building with each step closer to the loading dock. Sharing stories and pointing out details in the fortress-like setting, the queue itself becomes part of the adventure, a prelude to the swashbuckling journey ahead. Nostalgia is thick in the air, a shared appreciation for a timeless classic. As the first boats glide into the misty bayou, a sense of wonder washes over the passengers. The journey begins. The care in every detail is immediately clear. From the intricate set design to the subtle lighting effects, every element has been carefully crafted to create an immersive and unforgettable experience. Crisper sounds, dramatic lighting, and enhanced special effects bring the pirate world to life in a way that has never been seen before. The result is a world more alive than ever, a testament to the power of imagination and the dedication of the Disney team. This reopening is a testament to Disney's unwavering commitment to preserving its heritage while simultaneously enhancing the adventure for future generations. Some stories are so fundamental, so deeply ingrained in our collective imagination that they deserve to be retold again and again, ensuring their magic endures for years to come. By preserving and enhancing this beloved attraction, Disneyland Paris is ensuring Pirates of the Caribbean continues to inspire awe and wonder for generations of park goers. The magic of Pirates of the Caribbean lies in its details, and the refurbishment has brought every prop and scene back to life. Treasure chests now gleam, apples in barrels look freshly picked, and even the muddy pigs have a convincing, artful grime. The pirate feast is more sumptuous, weaponry more authentic, and sails more weathered, each element enhancing the story's realism. These subtle, loving touches blur the line between observer and participant, drawing guests deeper into the adventure. It's a celebration of practical artistry where every stone, sword, and barrel plays a part in the grand tale. By restoring these elements, Disneyland Paris ensures the world of swashbuckling buccaneers feels as captivating as ever. Illusion is at the heart of Pirates of the Caribbean, and new technical upgrades have elevated its classic effects. Dynamic LED lighting now creates ethereal moonlight and dramatic shadows, while the water shimmers with a mysterious blue. Battle scenes burst with brighter cannon fire and more convincing flames, immersing guests in the chaos. New dust effects and improved fog add realism and energy, making every moment feel immediate and alive. These enhancements don't overshadow the original magic. They amplify it, blending old-school showmanship with modern technology. The result, a more cohesive, dazzling world that continues to thrill and enchant. The heart of Pirates of the Caribbean is its cast of audio animatronics, now revitalized with smoother movements and expressive faces. key pirates swing and gesture with newfound realism, while the singing buccaneers' faces sync perfectly with their shanties. Even the beleaguered mayor and Captain Jack Sparrow now display more lifelike expressions and fluid, quirky motions. These upgrades transform the figures from mechanical mannequins into true storytellers, guiding guests through the adventure. Every character, from the captain to the clumsy chicken chasers, has been given a new lease on life. The restoration honors the pioneers of animatronics and ensures these classic personalities remain unforgettable. It's a loving tribute to the artistry that makes the ride so memorable. Costuming is a vital part of storytelling, and the pirates' wardrobes have been meticulously refreshed. Rich velvets, coarse linens, and vibrant colors now add depth and authenticity to every scene. Red's new leather tricorn hat and a blue bandana inspired by Marc Davis's concept art are standout details, connecting past and present. These updates reinforce the story and respect the attraction's heritage, making the pirates feel more real and their world more tangible. Every thread and accessory is chosen with care, honoring the creative legacy of Walt Disney Imagineering. The result is a richer, more immersive experience for every guest. In a great attraction, every costume helps weave the magic. The seamless magic of the refurbished Pirates ride is the result of thousands of hours by dedicated Imagineers and artisans. Teams collaborated across lighting, audio, mechanics, and scenic arts, restoring props and scenery with historical accuracy and precision. Massive set pieces were carefully revived in place, while smaller items were painstakingly refinished backstage. Constant communication ensured every enhancement served the story, not just as upgrades, but as a unified vision. For many, this was an act of stewardship, a personal mission to honor Disney history. Their craftsmanship is the true treasure, laying the foundation for renewed magic. Thanks to their passion, the adventure continues for a new generation. At the heart of this meticulous refurbishment lies a profound dedication to honoring the legacy of Marc Davis. More than just an update, it's a loving tribute to a true visionary. Davis was the creative genius, the imaginative force behind the original Pirates of the Caribbean. His unique blend of humor, artistry, and storytelling shaped the very essence of the attraction. The recent updates are designed not just to refresh the ride, but to enhance the overall guest experience, making it even more immersive and captivating. All these enhancements are done while fiercely preserving Davis's original vision, ensuring that his creative spirit continues to resonate with every guest who embarks on this swashbuckling adventure. His signature humor, the meticulously crafted character-driven scenes, each telling a story of its own, and the iconic vignettes that have become synonymous with the Pirates of the Caribbean experience, all remain carefully intact. These are the elements that define the ride's charm and appeal. Improved lighting techniques and smoother, more fluid animatronics bring his characters' expressions, their subtle nuances and dramatic flair, and comedic timing to life with a vibrancy and realism never before seen. The pirates are more alive than ever. Even small details like the inclusion of the blue bandana pay direct tribute to his original concept art, showcasing the dedication to authenticity. This thoughtful approach connects today's Imagineers directly with Disney's rich artistic lineage, ensuring that the spirit of innovation and creativity continues to thrive. The result is not just a restoration, but a true preservation through enhancement, a testament to the power of respecting the past while embracing the future. Ultimately, this refurbishment is about honoring Davis's enduring legacy, ensuring that his work continues to inspire and entertain both longtime fans and brand newcomers alike. The ride's enduring appeal lies in its cast of timeless, relatable rogues, characters that resonate with audiences of all ages. These beloved pirates are brought to life with even greater clarity and detail thanks to the advancements in animatronics and technology. Through this meticulous refurbishment, Disneyland Paris ensures that Marc Davis's masterpiece not only remains a beloved attraction, but also continues to serve as a benchmark in immersive theme park storytelling for generations to come. For fans, the updates to Pirates of the Caribbean are more than technical, they're deeply emotional, fueled by nostalgia. The ride is a time machine, transporting guests to cherished memories while enriching them with new sights and sounds. Enhanced immersion makes the fantasy world more believable, turning guests into active participants in the adventure. The refurbishment also celebrates Disney's creative history, honoring artists like Marc Davis and the legacy of Imagineering. This care strengthens the bond between Disney and its fans, who see themselves as custodians of the magic. By updating effects and technology, the attraction remains relevant and captivating for new generations. The core story and charm endure, ensuring the magic of A Pirate's Life for me lives on. To truly make the most of the wonderfully refurbished Pirates of the Caribbean, it's worth considering a few insider tips. These suggestions can help you unlock an even deeper level of enjoyment from this classic attraction. One of the best times to experience the ride is in the late evening, as the park lights begin to twinkle. This is often when you'll find shorter queues, allowing you to board with minimal wait time, and the atmosphere is significantly enhanced by the nighttime setting. The shadows and lighting create a more immersive experience. Nighttime rides reveal the full impact of the Imagineer's work. You'll be able to fully appreciate the new lighting and special effects, which are designed to be most impressive in the dark. This makes the entire experience even more immersive, drawing you deeper into the pirate's world. While you're on board, challenge your family to spot specific details, turning the ride into a fun scavenger hunt. Look closely at the intricate scenes and characters. Can you find the pirate with the blue bandana? Or focus on Jack Sparrow's expressive face, noting the subtle nuances of his animatronic movements. Take a moment to appreciate the artistry in every prop, from the weathered maps to the glinting gold coins. Don't forget to capture memories. Take photos at the fortress entrance before or after your ride. You can also purchase the on-ride photo taken during the thrilling drop, a perfect souvenir of your swashbuckling adventure. Afterward, a visit to the gift shop is a must. There you'll find even more photo opportunities amidst the pirate-themed merchandise and can discover unique treasures to take home. Consider riding more than once. There's simply too much detail to catch in a single journey through the Pirate's Cove. Each ride reveals something new. On your first ride, let yourself be swept away by the overall spectacle, the grand scenes, and the immersive atmosphere. Then, on subsequent rides, focus on specific elements like the intricate details of the pirate costumes. Pay attention to the props, the small items that bring the scenes to life, and finally, marvel at the special effects, especially the water and lighting, on your next voyage. This renewed classic is more than just a ride. It's a celebration of nostalgia, a testament to Disney's creativity, and a masterclass in immersive storytelling. It's a treasure, carefully polished and presented for every pirate at heart, young and old.